I'm asking nicely, out of respect for them.
Oh, sure.
I'm asking you.
Okay.
I'm asking you, out of respect for them. Do you mind not doing that? I'm pretty sure they don't want their face. They don't.
Welcome back to the San Joaquin News Network. Today we're going to be going over a video from the channel as if it's your business. In today's video, this man was going on about his night when he spots some Henry County police officers investigating a possible burglary. This interaction is taking place at the Stockbridge Shopping Center located on 1546 Hudson Bridge Road, Stockbridge, Georgia. In this video, this man sees these officers standing outside an AT&T with what looks like glass on the floor, indicating that someone broke into the store. As he gets closer to get better footage, one of the officers approaches him and asks why he's filming. That's when things get a little escalated. But let's go over the video and break a few things down.
Hey, because so like I'm on the way to business, kind of wondering what's going on. Hey, how you doing? You want to keep moving there with your no license plate? All right.
How you doing today? All right?
Great. How are you? Fantastic.
You work for AT&T?
Always taking no thank you.
Okay. I was just wondering.
That's almost as bad as the union y'all belong to. I'm sorry. Whoa, we have interaction. I was just on the way to my business, so. Whoa. We got two mouths running, so I'm not sure which one is talking to me. I mean, just to be honest, I'm kind of a guy that's like, always film the police because you never know what can happen.
The Henry County showed up.
I hear word. I guess somebody stole a SIM card.
No. There's a big hole in the glass right here.
Oh. There you go. Now we got some citizen journalism.
Is that what they call it?
Content. Yep.
Hopefully your 3 followers like it.
I was on the way to conduct my business.
Clearly you don't have anything to do because you're standing right here.
I'm sorry?
I said, clearly you don't have anything to do because you're standing right here.
Well, I do. I have business conduct in this shopping plaza. And this is a, area of interest. As a citizen journalist, it's an area of interest.
Who do you work for?
I'm sorry?
I said, who do you work for?
Well, I don't answer questions.
Okay. But you report.
I don't have to.
You don't?
No.
You're also free to leave.
Mm-hmm.
So.
Just watching public servants and,
Okay, so the interaction was going fine until the officer copped an attitude and decided to be rude. He made his little remark and said that this man clearly doesn't have anything to do if he's out here filming. It's sad that officers have yet to understand that we don't need a reason to film them. It is a right of the people to have freedom of press. Yet we still have cops like Officer Bozo here that believe they can restrict that freedom and infringe upon our rights. He also says this man is free to leave. But if he is free to leave, then he is free to stay. Again, officers use phrases like this as if they are trying to use some type of intimidation tactic, as if that is going to deter this man from filming. If you are ever in this situation yourself, just simply turn what the police are saying back on them. Most of the time, the things they say sound scripted anyways, so once you take them off script, they have literally nothing to offer, unless they are open to being educated. Let's get back to the video. Officer Bozo is about to make a huge mistake.
Conveyance of their business. I think you're doing a fine job. You're welcome.
Tag me in the video. Can you make sure you tag me in the video?
Oh, no, I don't know where it's going to go at this point.
If I get my followers up, they might start paying me.
Yeah.
Viral. I don't know.
It could get a following. It could not. I could maybe get a following. I probably won't.
Pretty sure my hair does not look right now.
I mean, who knows with the internet these days? But hey, I'm just recording for my own personal, purposes. That is, however, a fascinating event because we were working in those three doors. We were working in those three doors about an hour ago, and we didn't hear anything.
But the actual victim is coming through. Yeah, we don't.
I'm sorry. Did you start with directive?
Just right there in the parking lot. I don't care.
Did you start with directive?
Go ahead and go in.
Oh! I know you're not doing prior restraint right there, right?
No, look.
You're not conducting prior restraint, are you? Bad move, Sergeant.
What kind of phone is that? Is that the new
cheap $200 Motorola?
It's not like nice phones or what?
I mean,
so again,
I can get some good cheap footage out of a $200 phone, 48 megapixel.
Again, I'm asking nicely, out of respect for them.
Oh, sure.
I'm asking you.
Okay.
I'm asking you, out of respect for them. Do you mind not doing that? I'm pretty sure they don't want their face. They don't deserve that.
Oh well,
as a citizen, they don't deserve that.
There's no
as a citizen,
of
they do not
privacy in the public.
Enough talking to him.
There you go.
Okay, appreciate it.
You have a good day, sir.
Oh, you too?
So that's basically the end of the video. A couple things to end on. Firstly, the supervisor clearly covered the camera to not get the manager on film. Secondly, Officer Bozo tried to stand in front of the man to get him to stop recording. Both acts are violations by these officers. See, this cameraman was very professional and cordial and didn't want to escalate the situation, but that was clearly prior restraint and an infringement upon his First Amendment right. Both these officers are lucky this man didn't go off on them. I would like to end on a good note though. The supervisor pulling Officer Bozo away was actually a smart move. He must know that they can't simply harass this man all because he is filming from public property. Remember, there is no expectation of privacy in public, so therefore he would be in the wrong to do anything to this man for simply filming. I want to give a big shout out to this man for his awesome video. Make sure you head on over to the channel as if it's your business, subscribe, and I'll see you all over in his comments. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you all for watching.